all religions lead us to the universal God. May He bless you on this day and always. Good morning, everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Gurupurab, I am honored and delighted to welcome each one of you to join us in celebrating the life, teachings and blessings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. I would like to invite Japsirat to lead us for today's assembly as we honor the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
Which means with the name of the Lord comes a feeling of eternal optimism and well-being for all. Sasriyakal. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the students of Class 1A, I warmly welcome you all to our assembly as we celebrate Gurupurab, the auspicious occasion of the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So, let's begin our wonderful journey of faith and learning.
Now I invite Soham on stage, please.
Always be kind to others, just like Guru Nanak Dev Ji taught us. Sharing love and helping friends makes the world happy place for everyone. Now I will call upon Manas for recitation of the Mool Mantra, the fundamental concept of Sikhism. Join your hands. Ekam Satnam Karta Purat Nirvo Nirvair Akar Murat Ajuni Sarvam Gurupurab Jab Aad Sach Jogad Sach Hai Sach Nanak Hosi Sach Soche Sochna devotion through the power of music. Here is a beautiful church in place of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and see the spirit of unity and faith. Thank you.
Guru
Nanak Dev Ji. Let's embark on a journey through time and know more about his life. He was born on 15 April 1469 in the village of Ravandi, which is known as Sultanasa. It is located now in Pakistan. Mehta was a local village official and a farmer. His mother, Mata Tepta, was a pious and kind-hearted woman who instilled spiritual values in Guru Nanak from an early age. From a very young age, Nanak showed deep interest in spirituality and spent a lot of time in meditation. He was married to Mata Sulakni Ji, who was devoted and supportive partner to Guru Nanak Dev Ji throughout his spiritual journey. Together they have two sons. Nanak grew up, he became known for his wisdom and his love for everyone. He believed that all people were equal, no matter their background or belief. He taught everyone to be kind and helpful to others. Let's all take a moment to reflect on the teaching of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. At one God, there is but one God. His name is Truth. He is the Creator. He fears none. He is without hate. He is beyond the cycle of birth and death. He is self-illuminated. He is realized by the kindness of true Guru. He was true in the beginning. He was true when the ages commenced and has ever been true. He is also true now. He used to work honestly. Throughout his life, Guru Nanak Dev Ji propagated the idea that all the human beings can earn their living through honest means and use their skill and talent to lead an honest life. Which translates to share and consume. Guru Nanak Dev Ji believed that those who are capable have the responsibility to take care of the needy. This teaches us a lesson on the importance of sharing.
पीपीटी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ना अपना बच्चे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है पेरेंट्स से बच्चे देखते
The idea of seva forms the crux of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Dev Ji believed and practiced the virtue of selfless service. He firmly believed that true contentment can be achieved only through engaging in acts which are completely selfless in nature.
I think I'll have to separate the two.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was a firm believer in the idea that God created everyone as equal and therefore everyone should be treated as unequal, respected of their caste, religion and gender. Sukyumanda Akhiye Chit Jamme Rajan. Few centuries back, Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, we should not call women inferior because kings are born from them. गुरुजी ने बोले मोदी खाने बैठे तेरा तेरा तोड़ दे सुल्तानपुर बुरा रोलता खाया मिठे मिठे बोल मिश्री खोल दे. Thank you. These teachings have left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire millions around the world to live a life of love, compassion and service. Let us carry his message forward, love
and unity.
and unity in our hearts and action. Thank you. Everyone for joining us in this celebration of Gurupurab. Let's remember everyone with kindness and respect. Just as Guru Nanak Ji taught us
All right. So, can I just have one? Am I audible to you all? So, children, firstly, I think we must appreciate being taught the message. All our gurus always teach us to be kind, compassionate, respect elders, and do good things in life. Yes or no? Yes. So, we should never fight with anyone. We should not say bad words to anyone. And we should have always a kind heart. We should help everyone. We should feel the pain of others so that we can extend our help in some way. So we got such beautiful messages. I think we must appreciate class 1A children for giving us such wonderful thoughts and wonderful teachings that Guru Nanak Ji has told all of us so that we can live a life which is full of happiness and joy. So can we give 1A a big applause?
Yes. Come on, big hand. Party.
They all spoke very well because what you learn, you try to then bring into your daily life. Alright? And children, one more thing. Whenever someone is speaking, whether it's a child or a teacher or anyone, we need to listen. Because if we will not listen, we will never know what that person wants to say. So today, when we celebrate the teachings of Guru Nanak, we should all understand that if we want to become someone great in life, then our actions have to be always good. Bad things will never lead you to greatness. Always simplicity and kindness will lead you to greatness and happiness. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dolly ma'am. And it's always wonderful, children, to come to your assemblies. And I really love being with you all. If you want to say something.
Guru Nanak Ji born in Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara.
Very good. So, we got lot of information. Because when we understand, we know about someone, then only we like to go in for his preachings.
Guru Nanak Ji has born in Pakistan. Was born in Pakistan.
Yes, because that time, where he was born, that Kartarpur was in, that was a part of India only. Okay, now it is present Pakistan, but when he was born, that time, that was a part of India. So the main thing that we should get from the assembly today is that if we follow the teachings of Guru Nanak Ji, we can live a life of happiness and greatness. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
And wishing each one of you very happy Gurupurab. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.